Hello. Chat. Hello. Chat. 1 second. Is that better? 1 second. Is that better? 1 second. Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me? Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me? Right, that's better. Let's crack on. Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me? Right, that's better. Right, so this is the terminal that I'm using. Now, let's also have Let's crack on.
Spawn an agent. Spawn 3 agents and open Claude. I want. Can you I want to add voice commands so I can talk to all my agents. What shall we do? Do it so I can talk instead of using Whisper. Open source ones array. Come on, chat. Is it going to or on? Anyone there? Any people out there watching? Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add voice so I can just directly speak to it instead of typing all the time, and I don't want to use Whisper. So let me enlarge this. Yep. To be fair, it'd be good if it could talk back to me as well from my commander, which is over here. Also, I have been building iOS apps, so they have been successful, which I will show you after, but I'm trying to set this up so I can manage all my different projects here. So add a project, have 5 different employees on that one project, then another project, then that way I can work on like multiple different businesses at the same time. Makes things much easier for me to manage, because right now I am using Cursor and it's just a headache. So let's see. Hold down the mic. Yes, yes, yes. Targeting whatever is selected. What odd touch. Yep, 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 yep. There's no selected pane concept yet, so I'll add a lightweight voice track pane likely to target the plan. Okay. The one-time model. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead. Hotkey, what shall I use? And what models are available? What one do you think? So I'm adding voice chat so I can talk to all my employees and all my agents. It's an agent, agent 1, agent 3, agent 4, agent 5. Hold the right option key. Hello. No. It's front end only, so in Electron window just. Oh. Okay, so I am holding the option key, but nothing is happening. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I'm holding the left one. Allow the mic to use the voice. Oh, okay. I was doing the left one. It says use allow the mic. How do I do that? Let's see. Let me be, let me be. This is what we're doing on a Friday night. Making money. Done. Okay. Now, how to make it, here's one catch. This changes the electric, not just the web, so and start it again. Heads up, restarting app kills the running agents. Microphone. Where is the microphone? Electron. It's not here. Not here, look. Okay, so let me quit. Go to my other agent. Can you rerun it? I had to quit. Everybody, move feet and move your body, yeah. Brilliant. And it also brings back all my agents as well. But for some reason, why is one missing? No, it's not. It's here. Brilliant. No, still says this. Why is it not showing it? Why? Bump. Maybe, is this a bit more better for you guys to see? I like this one, but nah, daylight's a bit too much. Slate. Okay, quit again. Do it again. Sorry. Now, the best thing about this is that even if I close all my stuff, like if you close cursor, it doesn't restore all your agents, and this actually does, which is so much better. It's actually crazy how much better this is. Okay, so let's try. Still says this. Let me be. Can you rename my newest agent? Let's see if it knows. See if it knows what one I'm talking about. Strange. This changes just to the web page, so full restart needed. Press in agent grid window, then click an agent pane, hold the mic, you'll get more specific message. Okay, close it again, do it again. Yes, please do that. Make an app icon for me on the desktop. On the, what's this thing called here? On the Docker. Dun, 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 dun. Does anyone know how I can stream on TikTok at the same time? Wait, how can I stream on TikTok at the same time? Can I use OBS or no? Oh, I need restream. Nope. Dun 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 dun. So what do I need to do? No, I want to connect to TikTok. I have 1,000 followers already. I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody, baby. I also use Claude to trade, which I will show you in a second. But this is actually making me a Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. If you want me to show you guys anything, let me know in the comments. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? I I accepted it, but hello, how are you doing? Why did everything open? Close, 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 close. Oh yeah, it's working. Hello. Hello. Yep, it does work. It works. I'm still having some issues with the layout. It keeps going weird. Look. Hello, this is a test to see if the voice command works. Perfect, that works. I think it's something to do with the terminal. It's not actually the UI, it's within the actual terminals, within the agents. The speed is a bit slow, so do you think having the better version would improve this? Like the reaction from after I speak? For example, look, I've spawned a new terminal and it's blank, even though if I type in Claude, it will work. So why is this happening? Let me be, let me be. What is going on? Now it won't let me scroll up in the terminal to see the combo. It just when I scroll with the cursor, it just shows me all the previous chats that I've written. It doesn't actually scroll up in the conversation. Why? Hello? Right, let me close it and start again. And now I've also got a grid. Right, so, yes. What is going on? Right, let me get my master commander to fix this. We made some changes in the chat, but the layout is really messed up. When I scroll with my cursor to see the previous conversation, it just scrolls through my previous chats, what I've been asking it to do. It's not scrolling up. It seems the layout within the terminal agents is messed up. Let me be, let me be. Okay, interesting. So as I said, why I'm building this is so I can manage all my businesses from here, and these are my employees, like my agents. Right, that's strange. So it worked and I click that. Claude. Still doing it. Very strange, that is. Okay, create stream. Let me do this while I'm waiting. Yeah, and it's fixed, but that's fixed now, but it's only showing me very short chat. Could that be because we closed open? is it so messed up? And also, why is the chats filled already? Like here. Hello. No. When I delete it. The viewing, look. Put it in plan mode so it can understand. Maybe I should. Let me check. No, there's something wrong. Wait, there's something wrong with the plan mode. Even when I spawn a new agent, look. Spawn. The terminal is blank, but the text is there. If I type Claude, it will initiate UI problem. And then if I close the workspace tab, it then displays it correctly again within the terminal. Have a think, Claude. Have a think. Have a think. Have a think. Don't let me down, Claude. Right, we have one person watching. Leave a comment in the chat. I know you're there watching. Tell me a bit about yourself. Are you interested in vibe coding? Oh, I didn't see the chat, sorry. Did you try the slash effort and the dynamic workflows? What do you mean by that? Oh, the effort level on Claude. Yeah, so I always use medium because when I use high, it just takes forever, and sometimes I think it overthinks things. So I always just use medium effort. And since they released Claude 4.8, it just seems so slow. Obviously, when you get stuck on something, like maybe I was just about thinking of switching to high effort, but it's just so long-winded, it takes forever. So that's why I always keep it on medium for now. And also, when I do get stuck, instead of going to high effort, I would normally go straight to plan mode first, and then if I got stuck, I would then use high effort as well. I've never really used extra high effort because, to be fair, I don't know why you would need to, unless you're maybe starting your project, but I've not really built anything that involves extra high effort, so I don't really know why or who would use that. On all my iOS apps, I've always just done low. Oh, sorry about that. I don't wanna know if you're playing me, keep it on the low. Okay, back to this. Yeah. 2 months free. Short. Oh. It's a bit of a bump. Nah. A bit expensive, isn't it? Let's see where we're at. Any questions? Anyone got any questions? Come on, chat. Ask away. Ask me a question. Dun 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 dun. It just seems like 4.8 is so slow. I don't understand. I really don't get it. I mean, it is good, but it's not. I've actually been using Claude since 3.5, and 3.5 was pretty good. Right now it's going to test it. It's so mad how like we live in a world now where it can just control my browser, do things for me. I've actually hit a big bug here because this is very frustrating. Because I don't know why it's doing this to the terminals. Maybe it's because they're saved. The layout is still messed up. Can you see? Is it because they are from previous ones or not? Go on, allow it. Spawn a new shell. No, see, does not work. It's going to know that it's not going to work either. I don't know why it's not showing the terminal text anymore. And this happened. Should pick up on it. This happened after I made some changes to add in voice mode. It shows a cursor, but the prompt text isn't visible yet. Let me give it a moment. The shell is still initializing and recheck. No, that's not true. It's not true, Claude. It's not true. Also, the text is there. It's just not visible, the same bug is happening. Any questions in the chat? Anyone, any questions, anything to ask? I can tell you a lot. I mean, the main thing after I've done this is to get onto iOS apps, because I'm actually making money with iOS apps already. But the reason I'm building this is so that it can make my life easier for when I'm managing all the different businesses with different agents and different employees, which I will show you eventually, if we get past this bug, of course. Chat, 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 chat. Hello, chat. Right, the text is in the buffer, but the canvas isn't painting it. Same bug. Force a repaint whenever data arrives during the paint warm, so the prompt actually paints it. Let me just do something. Yep. Now, if I open the agent grid, it displays like normal. Chat, chat, chat. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That's a useful clue. Only a freshly spawned paint goes above. Come on, Claude. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Realistically, what I need to be doing is, once I've built this, every project here on the left hand side will be a business, and every business inside it will have one agent. Like, this will be an agent for posting on TikTok, this will be an agent for creating content, this will be an agent for emailing, this will be an agent to marketing for meta ads. So then I can switch between all different businesses and projects, and eventually a few of them will pop off. Still not doing it. This is ridiculous. I wonder if Codex can fix the issue. Claude, don't let me down. Come on. Don't do this to me. It's the first time I've encountered a bug which Claude has not been able to fix. And I don't know why, because it's so simple. So simple, Claude. Come on, Claude, fix it. Fix it. Fix it. The problem is I can't really move on to do anything else without fixing this problem. Otherwise I'd be cracking on. No. No, that one only works because I opened the agent grid side view. It's actually insane. It is crazy. Let me check something. Spawn. Okay, so it works on. Does it work when it's big? Spawn a new agent. It works when it's really large size. Look, why is it doing that? Very strange. Okay, wait, you need to rethink everything. It's to do with the UI and how it acts when large and not. Also, when you delete the text input, it then returns. Right, I'm gonna put it on high effort now. Let's see. Effort, high. Alright, yes, switch to high. Please analyze everything and find the bug and the problem, because it's getting frustrating now. Put it in plan mode on high effort and let's see. Anyone got any questions while waiting for Claude to try and figure this problem out that it's actually can't handle? which is very frustrating, very annoying. And also, one silly thing that I did do is I didn't even save this project yet, so I can't even revert. I didn't even push it to Git, so I'm in a bit of a dilemma here. I was just going with the flow to see how good it was, and now I'm stuck. Come on, Claude, fix it, fix it, fix it. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, no, you can't. Dun 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 dun. How do I see my analytics from YouTube? YouTube Studio. But I want to see my video. But I want to see my video. Oh, is the quality that bad? That's so bad. It's not good at all, is it? No one told me that the quality was that bad. Oh, is the quality that bad? That's so bad. Alright, guys, I'm going to have to try and fix the quality because we cannot be having streams that are in 720p. How do I fix this? Does anyone know? It's ridiculous. Guys, I'm going to have to try and fix the quality because we cannot be having streams that are in 720p. Oh, that is insane. It's insane, guys. No one wanted to say anything. It's even worse. My stream is in 720p, the actual display. Do I make it 1080? Go to settings, video. Yeah. No, Mac screen. What? Wait. I'm on this part. I wonder if it's to do with the internet or the actual... Yes, I know I'm live, obviously. Your bitrate is only... That's why it may look like a bit soft. Do this after stream. No. Ah, what? Do it now, though. No, my setup don't look good. It's terrible. Oh, no, it's all right. It's not bad. I can see now. It's not that bad. It's all right. But this... Yeah, it's not bad. All right, let's get back to it. I'll leave that for now then. It's actually all right. That's fine. Right, so we've fully analysed. Yep. Confirm facts. Yep. Right, let's fix it. See, and that was on high effort. And look how long it's taken. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. That's a long time, guys. That is a very long time. Plan approved. No, they did not touch it. Any questions in the chat? Anyone got any questions in the chat? Anyone got any questions in the chat? In the chat. Anyone got any questions? Anyone got any questions? Unfortunately, we might have to even switch to codecs to fix this problem, and we will see. If it can resolve it, because you never know. Let me be, let me be. Move slow, move up. Damn. Chat, chat, chat. Where are you, chat? That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Okay. That is a good sign. Looks like it's actually working. Claude's lucky there. I didn't have to go and use codecs. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Claude. Hi, how are you? Right. It seems like it's working now. Yes, can we create a new Git repo and upload the project so we can save it? Right, before we do so, are you... Before we do so, oh, okay, allow this time. Before we do so, no, it don't work on here. Let me close that 1 second. Let me load the actual app. Okay, so the app's not loading. I closed the Chrome because I was going to open the app, but the app isn't loading or opening. Chat. What up, chat? What up, chat? By the way, guys, while we're here, might as well show you this. This is a Shopify award. When you sell 100,000 orders, you get one of these. 100,000 orders. Right, that's open. Okay. Now, before we push to Git, is it going to be a new Git repo? I don't want to mess around with any of my other existing ones. Oh, why has the mic failed? Before we push to Git, is it going to be a new? As I don't want to ruin any of my existing. Visibility private. I'm having this problem again. One thing I've noticed is that it's not letting me scroll up through the chat. Only a very small amount. See, guys, this is why you need so many different agents, because look, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different agents working on 7 different things. Right guys, that is the end of the stream.